Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy CV with another reaction video. This one is going to be, I'm assuming, one person, not a band. The reason I'm laughing because the name is Strawberry Switchblade. That's a good nickname for anyone, musician or not. Strawberry Switchblade, I like it. But Strawberry Switchblade is going to be doing Jolene, which is, we all know, Dolly's song, and Dolly is amazing. You guys know I'm just like in love with this one. This was requested a while ago to listen to this. So we're going to listen to this. Then right after this one, I'm going to listen to the Beyonce version. So I want to listen to both and see what they did to it, if they touched it, and switch words around, whatever it is. Because what Dolly did, I don't know if it could be touched, man. I don't think it can, but let's just see. Let's give them a chance, man. Let's get this to 50 likes if we can. I appreciate you guys. Let's do it. Okay, this got that 70s, 80s vibes right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, I like that. Hold on. Something's throwing me off, man. I don't know. Something's throwing me off. I don't know how to explain this. It just sounds like this person is not opening their mouth. It's like they're singing with their mouth like this. Jolene. Like that. Like their mouth is now. That's what I hear. It's throwing me off. Like, listen. I don't know how to explain it. There's nothing I can do. It's like, dude. Look, I'm not a expert when it comes to music. I just know what I like. You know what I'm saying? It's throwing me off. That sounds great. Why does she like just kills it when it comes to this part? But the beginning, I just wasn't feeling it. But when she does the chorus, it sounds amazing. I don't know what it is, man. Listen to this. By the way, the 70s and 80s, my God. You could have your choice of man, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. Sounds way different now. Yeah, she sounds different now. I love it now. Oh, yes. Let's go. Sounds like Thriller. Okay, I will say the beginning of it, I just don't know what it was. There was something about it I didn't like. I really think that like her mouth wasn't opening in the beginning, and then she did the chorus, amazing, and then the second half of the song, amazing, and then to finish it off with the 80s beat, just so good. But the first part of it, I was not feeling it. I can't, it's hard for me to explain it. I was not into it. I was not. And then, like I said, after the chorus, everything was fine. It's like her mouth opened up more. I just don't, like, I don't know. Maybe you guys should listen to it carefully and tell me if it makes any kind of sense. I probably don't, but that's okay. But I'm just telling you how I hear something and how I feel about it. And I'm going to tell you, this version wasn't the most amazing when overall. Strawberry Switchblade? Now that's a fantastic name any day of the week. Wow. I love the 80s beat, 70s, 80s beat. Maybe I'm still hearing Dolly's version in my head at the same time, which is hard to kind of like, push aside and listen to somebody else do it. It's not easy, man. What Dolly did should be untouchable. It's just one of those few songs, like, I don't think you should be touching that. Leave it alone, man. But we're going to listen to the Beyonce version. So let's go and do that. And then we'll give our critique on see what Beyonce did. Keep your head up. Love you guys as always. Till next time. Peace.